Hi, today it is 11th of August 2020, and Google has come up with a new update, and Google has named this as People's Card. So it is a virtual visiting card option that would be available to all people at the moment in India. This update is currently being rolled out for India only, and it is likely to be rolled out globally sooner or later. So what this update is all about, you can update your details, you can update your bio now on Google also. So whenever someone would be searching for your name, they would be able to access your information easily over Google. Just like here you can see these are a few cards, sample cards. So in this video I'll be creating my own card, and I'll show you what are the steps that you can follow in order to create your own people's card. By the way, if what if people are having same common name, so in that case Google says these cards would be available for multiple people, and people would be able to identify on the basis of other information that would be available with the name. So you would be able to add your social media accounts as well, your website, your phone number, etc. So currently this update is for India only. So let's proceed and see how you can create your own card. So first you have to simply go to Google, and remember you have to do it over mobile phone. It is not currently available over desktop or laptop browser. So log in into your mobile phone, go to google.com. I have opened it in the Chrome browser right now. I've logged into my email ID. Then what I need to do, I need to search for my name. I can search for my name, or you can simply search for add me on Google search. So once you do this, you would be able to get this option. So there is this option which is available, add yourself to Google search. And if I show you this example over here, so this sort of card would be there. So let us proceed. Click over get started. So here you can see the first thing that Google asks is to verify your phone number. So it is with each account you would be able to create one visiting card, one virtual card only. So I need to verify my number. So let me quickly enter my number and verify it. So I have entered my phone number. Now I'm going to proceed over next. Google will send you a verification code after you have entered your phone number. So I check the verification code 30306. Click over next, and here you can see it has been verified. So here you can see I'm proceeding ahead and creating my own profile. So you need to enter your location over here. So I'm going to enter the location, so New Delhi, Delhi. Also I have entered it. So let me quickly check the bio. So I have just created written a few words. Let me see if I can add, copy and paste it. So I have copied the bio section from here, and I'm going to put it in the about section. So I have added a few details about me. Then here I can proceed and add my occupation related details. So you will see I won't be able to add the digital marketing consultant or a trainer, etc. So what I'll do, I'll simply proceed with the digital marketer. Then here you can add all your details including your work, education, hometown, website, social profile. So let me quickly proceed and add these few details. So I'll enter all the social handles, add another profile. I'll add the LinkedIn now. It remains same. Add another, go to Twitter. So likewise I can add all these profiles. For YouTube I'll have to go and check out the link, so probably I'll do that later on. So it is the same for Pinterest, Facebook as well. So I think I don't want to add the Facebook right now, so you can go ahead and save it. So you can see all these social profiles have been added over here. You can add your website as well. Okay, so there is some glitch here. I think the accounts got switched. Let me go back. Let me quickly enter all these social profiles. So Instagram. So I'll paste the username. Let me remove this space. Okay, there was no space. So I would be adding just three social media accounts right now. Once I'm done with it, email, I don't prefer to make it public right now. So these are all details. It got removed. I'll enter it once again. Digital marketer, location. Okay, so I'm done with this all these updates. There you can go ahead. All these are optional info, so I'm not going to add all the optional details. Probably I'll do that later on. You can check the preview over here. Click over preview. Something went wrong. Okay, so there you can see it is there. So this is the preview. I don't know why picture is not visible here, so let it be. I'll check it later on, or go ahead and save it. So it is done. You can check, and this card is available over here. So if people want to look more, they will be able to click like this. So this card is now live over Google. So that's a simple way, that's a quick way to add your name over Google. You can add your own details. So that was all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.